Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play a song that is perfect for beginners because it's really easy to play. I'm talking about There's Nothing Holding Me Back by Shawn Mendes. We're going to skip the intro and we're going to play the verse and the chorus. On the verse we're going to use only one finger on the left hand and we're going to play only the 5th and 6th string. And then when we arrive to the chorus, we're going to play power chords. It's in standard tuning, so just take your guitar and let's begin. We start placing the index finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And right after we play the tone, that's a quarter tone, we have a rest. So we lift the finger to get that rest. Then we move the same finger, we're going to play everything with the index finger to the 5th string, 5th fret. And at the same way we do a rest right after. And we move on the same string to the 2nd fret. And that's the first measure. Okay. Pay attention that the 2nd tone and the 3rd tone are not on the beat. Instead we play right after. So if I count, it becomes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you realize that that 5th and that 2nd were after the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From now on, I'm going to play the beats like that. You're not going to hear that on the original one. It's just to help you understand the rhythm. Okay, that was the first measure. Then when we play the 2nd measure, we come to the 5th fret, 5th string, and we play like that. 5th string, 6th string on the same fret. And there we have the 1st and 2nd measure. Okay. The 3rd measure is like the 2nd one. So we play again 5th on the 5th string, 5th on the 6th string. So when we put together the 1st, 2nd and 3rd, let's try together 1st, 2nd and 3rd measures. 1, 2, 3 and one more time. 1, 2, 3 and okay, and the 4th measure is coming back to the 5th string, 5th fret, but we play only that tone. We don't come back to the 6th string again. Okay, so there we have the first riff. And they play that same riff across the whole verse. So now let's try together to play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3 and again. Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3 and again. And that's the verse. Then when we come to the measure 5, There we have the chorus. And we are going to do that. We play exactly the same, but instead of playing only with the index finger, this time we're going to play power chords. If you have never played power chords before, it's like when we had the first tone, it was on the 3rd fret 6th string. At the same time, with the ring finger, we are going to put that finger 2 frets higher, 1 string down. Okay, so we have the ring finger on the 5th fret, 5th string. With the right hand, we have to play both strings that we're holding down. Okay, so if you take as reference what we played on the verse, only with the index finger, what we have to do on the chorus is exactly the same, just putting that position on the hand. It was the ring finger, 2 frets higher, 1 string down. So when we played the first measure, that was measure 5. Remember that we played the strings that we hold down. So in the beginning is the 6th and 5th, but when we move the left hand down, we have as well to move the right hand down and play the 5th and 4th. Okay, that's the measure 5. And then we did that, we came to the 5th fret, 5th string, and 5th fret, 6th string. So the 5th and 6th measures. And the 7th measure was as well the same. So I play the 5th, 6th and 7th measures. And the last measure was only playing that 5th fret on the 5th string. And then we have the chorus. They also repeat that same thing across the whole chorus. So now we can try together, practice that, and when we feel comfortable changing the hand, let's try together, playing the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, and we repeat. So we play 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was There's Nothing Holding Me Back by Shawn Mendes. Remember to subscribe to my channel to be updated with my new videos. And if you liked this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn how to play and you don't find it in my website, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.